Hey, good morning everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video is gonna be very good. I know you guys have seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. My headers arrived in the mail yesterday and I am finally gonna go get them installed today. Here the headers are, guys. They are the Kooks 1 7/8 with a catless connection. So you know, guys, this thing is gonna be loud. Right now I'm about to head to the shop where I'm gonna get them installed. Alright guys, one more thing before I head to the shop. Let's give this thing one more cold start. This is the last cold start you're gonna hear from it like this with this setup. So let me head to the shop, guys, and I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright guys, I have arrived at PowerFab Auto Sports. I have just given them the keys right now. They're gonna get started ASAP. Again guys, Kooks 1 7/8 with the catless connection pipes. And then for now, I'm just gonna, just use that on the stock catback for now. Until I save up enough money for the catback, I'm probably gonna get a Corsa Extreme catback or something like that. But that should be fine too. I definitely wanna know if, it's gonna make it that much louder with all the resonators still there, with the muffler still there from factory. So we're gonna see how loud it's gonna be when I come pick it up. Other than that, guys, stay tuned for the video. They're gonna give me a call whenever it's ready, and then I'm gonna come back. I'll see you guys when I come back. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, they just gave me the call. My Mustang is ready to be picked up. My friend Rolando came through to pick me up. Right now we're about to go pick it up. Man, I'm excited, guys. I can't wait. I don't know about y'all. What's good, bro?
What's up?
You good?
Good, yeah.
Is it cool if my little brother come too?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright y'all, we're here. PowerFab Auto Sports. About to pick up the car right now. Hey guys, I'm excited. I don't know if you guys are. Just want to listen to this thing. I hope it's loud. We'll see. I mean, I still have my stock catback, so it's not that crazy insane. But we'll see how everything goes. Stay tuned, guys. Let me go inside and get the keys. Okay. Alright guys, moment of truth right here, guys. You ready? You ready, bro? Yeah. Boy, what is wrong with you, boy? Let's see. Alright guys, here we go. Like 2K. Make sure you hit the start button first. Wait. Right here. Yeah! What? You closing the door on me, bro. Good. It wasn't that loud. Yes, that sounds good. That's good.
Hold on, hey, let me hear it. Hold up, let me hear it.
Yes, sir. It's the H5 is different, right? I can smell the E5 for sure. Yes, sir. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Kooks headers with a stock cat bag. I'm gonna go for a drive right now, see how it sounds on the road. Stay tuned for the video. Huge thanks to Powerfab Autosports for hooking me up, guys. You did a great job on this one. Kooks headers, I can smell the E85. It's crazy, man. It sounds neat, right? I don't know. I definitely gotta look for yeah, you wanna go look at it? Hey guys, right now I can definitely need to look for a H-pipe for the catback. So it's gonna be crazy. But right now we're gonna go check out this Camaro over here.
Like, bro, the Corvette.
Yeah. Oh, the Corvette. Oh, that's the catback?
Yeah.
Dang.
Stage 1.
That's crazy. Yeah, this color is dope, guys. I like it. Alright, I don't know if y'all ready, but we're about to go for a drive right now. See how it feels. It got really cold outside real quick. It wasn't this cold when we got in there, but that's Houston weather for you, man. Hey, Rennie, you want to ride with him so he can record me from his car?
I can record you?
Yeah, I need you to record me, boy.
Oh man.
Hey, can he ride with you so he can record me?
Yeah. Hey, here's the paperwork. I was about to put that shit in my fucking...
We can go this way,
Alright.
towards your house. So you don't gotta be walking, going back, you know?
You saw how his car was like squatting down?
Yeah.
So is that...
Right, that thing is fast, dude. Like, looking at it from behind, that thing's going fast.
You saw that? It's the springs, bro. You saw that?
Yeah,
It was like
going
this.
up, right?
Bro, and then
I
I
saw
took
that.
off.
Bro.
Yo, this bitch launched good, bro, with the springs. It's crazy. It don't drop it that much, so the car doesn't look that good, but
It smells good.
it still works. Alright, y'all, thanks for tuning into this video. Kooks headers with a stock catback, and the headers are catless, so you guys heard the car. It's not that loud like I actually want it to be, so I'm definitely gonna have to get my catback system ASAP. But for now, this will do. Let me just turn it off for you guys one more time. As you guys can hear that. So basically, on the idle and just normal driving, it's very quiet because there's no exhaust pressure coming from the coming through the resonators and the mufflers. But whenever you actually hit the gas, because of the catless headers, all the pressure just goes through the resonators and mufflers and gets a little bit louder. But for normal driving, it's not that bad. So thanks for tuning into this video, guys. Stay tuned for my next one. Who knows, I might do something else with the exhaust. We'll just have to see. I still have to go do my track video tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. As always, guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.